Why do experienced drivers like to put a bag of potatoes in their car? Is it for eating? You are wrong. In fact, potatoes have these 4 wonderful functions in cars. Especially the last point. I learned that life can be saved at critical moments. First, when it rains. It's very easy to hang water drops on our rearview mirror. It affects the vision and is very dangerous when driving. Actually, we only need to cut this side of the potato. Wipe the rearview mirror back and forth. There will be no water drops on the rearview mirror. Second, after driving for a long time, these metal parts on the car are prone to rust, and you can't wipe it off with your hands. Actually, we only need to cut this side of the potato. Aim at the rusty part and wipe it back and forth, and then flush it with water. The rust will be cleaned up. Third, our friends who drive like to put a thermos cup on the car to keep healthy. But after using this cup for a long time, you see, it has become particularly dirty, especially at the bottom of this cup. Many people say they can't reach it. How can I wash it? Actually, it's because your method is wrong. Let's just put a little potato in the cup. Soak in water for a few minutes. Okay, time is up. Let's see how the effect is. Wow! The cup has been cleaned clean. Fourth, after we drive away, a thick oil film will form on the glass. And it can't be cleaned by hand. Driving on the road like this, you can't see anything. It's very dangerous. Let's just cut this side of the potato. Aim at the position of the oil film and wipe it back and forth. Okay. Next, let's flush to see the effect. Wow, see? The oil film has been cleaned clean. How is it useful? Pay attention to me, and share practical car knowledge every day.